Today we have the Cerakote Trim Coat Restoration Kit. And my buddy Bud is here to hey Bud. Hi. Loan his car out for the guinea pig. Test subject. So whenever you test stuff like this, make sure you get your friend's car so you don't ruin your car. This should restore his plastic, and you are good for apparently 200 washes, Bud. So we're gonna put that to the test. And I read the video, I read the video. I read videos. I watched the video. You want to be careful not to get it on the paint or anything else, like maybe this plastic lens. And you want to kind of do it like paint where you overlap it. So let's see here. You gotta make the ooh-ah sound. Ooh. Oh. It like takes the paint off. Thanks for letting me borrow your car, but I wanted to take the paint off the side of your car.
Oh, don't worry about it.
It's looking pretty good, actually. Let's hope it stays that way. So it pretty much said use it until it dries out. So sounds kind of weird. No, use it till it dries out. Yeah. Oh gosh. Do you have gloves? You're gonna do some of this shit too. Gloves right there, corner.
Sir, yes, sir.
Come over, watch me do all the work.
That's what I pay you for.
This is free. Okay.
I'll pay you with love.
Grab your new one. The tag's in here. I'll do this whole towel too. It's a big piece of plastic. It's ready with this.
Game on.
Game on. Dual wiping.
We are dual wiping.
Did say make sure you don't get on the glass too. I don't know if it melts the glass too.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just kidding.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, your insurance company. Your windshield melted? Yeah, you know, I put this product on it and it melted my windshield.
This new product's never been tested except for on my car.
Yeah.
Can I have another windshield, please? Alright, I'm going to do this one.
Yeah, do that whole side of that corner.
You said
anything got plastic, yeah, just rub it.
You said to get it all over the paint, right?
Yeah. Make sure you get it on the paint because it'll completely make it look better.
Okay. They do dry out fairly quick.
They do. I was just noticing that. But it's still kind of coating, so I'm waiting for it to not do anything. That's probably why they gave you 19 of them.
And it's 200 washes. That's what it says. So,
I don't know if I washed your car 200 freaking times, but I guess you do over
your next
the
video,
lifetime of the car.
Your next video is going to be me coming here
200
days,
times washing
200
it. That's
days,
awesome.
200 days in a row.
Washing it. Let's do it.
And wash the car.
There you go, Cerakote challenge. We're gonna wash Bud's money 200 times.
I'm down. And for all intents and purposes, I will say that this product has a scent to it.
Does it? Oof. Kind of a alcohol-y. Need another application. Alright, we're on to 3 so far for a Mini, which is
A small car.
yeah, it's a mini car. How's Bud doing over here?
Doing well.
Alright, looking good.
I'm doing well.
Looking good.
I was taught by the best.
Let's venture towards the back here. Bugatti, why are you covered in dirt? Dogs like to roll in crap. Do 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 do. Are we just like humming the damn McDonald's theme? Are we that brainwashed? That shit's going into
I don't know why, but it literally gets stuck in my head.
I think it's just like some kind of programming that they have. They're like, you will sing the McDonald's theme. Like, what the hell?
I'm getting ready to go get a Big Mac right now.
Oh, God. No, Bud. No.
Don't do it. You've got a son.
Yeah.
I don't know, Rob. This is looking good. If it stays.
If it stays, it's good. If it doesn't stay, then
I will be.
they got a pretty good product. I'm not gonna lie. Their products are quite good here. I'm not sponsored, so I can say that. I had to purchase all this myself. Bud's on the pad too. I'm already on to mine.
10 extra large wipes. Easy to apply.
Extra large wipes?
Easy to apply.
Extra large wipe? That doesn't look extra large. To what? What's small?
And it has
a gauze pad is small. This is extra large somehow.
Showroom new results.
I think they're tricking us with the wordage.
That's how they get you.
These are 305 smokes on the ground over here.
Yeah, sorry about that, Rob.
No, they want to step on them. I want to burn your stogies, man.
Stomp them out, dude.
Definitely makes it look better. I like your little skull back here.
That came with it.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
All right, well, I like the guy who put the skull on it before you had it. I'm into skulls. probably due to my sister growing up being into skulls. My sister watches my videos. Hi, Erica. She's quite scully.
Brother.
Looking good, eh?
Yeah, but will it last 200?
Will it last 200 washes? That is the real test.
I got a little on the paint, so we'll see what happens about that. Stay tuned, folks.
So your phone melts off. Like, oh, that's what happens. Oh my god, my glasses, these things keep falling off when I bend over.
Me too.
No good.
I've stepped on mine.
Yep, that's good stuff.
I've slept on them. Don't drop them on the ground either, guys. Probably not good.
They don't bounce well.
Yeah,
mine's about dried out. Oh, that's why I say don't get water on it, because water just...
Yeah, no, I got water on mine too as well. But if you keep rubbing it, it does... If you keep rubbing it, the water will go away.
It looks really good, look at that. Almost matches the black paint now. Rev, you can help, but you can't help because it's a chemical. We can't have you getting poisoned out. Sorry, buddy. He's like, but I wanted to rub it.
Yeah, back over your head.
Rev, you gotta get back, it's poison. We don't know what Cerakote put in their toxic trim jive here. As I know. You can pick up
Is this a brand new car?
It looks like it's brand new.
Honestly, paint chips and dents and stuff.
I don't know what you're talking about. Just don't zoom in on those. That does look pretty bang up though. Look at that. Alright. We're going to keep up to date with Bud on his car. We're going to test this stuff out.
Well, how long does it take to set? So like, can we drive
1
it?
hour.
So that's to sit for an hour?
That's to sit for an hour.
Okay.
That's what I read in those crazy directions. So I think maybe we just pull it back out of the sun, let it cook a little in the sun. Bake in there really good. Petroleum products. Yeah, that sounds...
Dude, actually, that looks really good.
Dude, let's get it out in the sun. I think out in the sun's gonna be... Let me get the mutts out of the way.
I think they know to move when a car...
You think that?
Here, can we drop this?
So Dottie's been hit by a car. Of course, she was going to play Frisbee, and that was the only thing on her mind. Alright, dogs, everybody over here. Alright, we're gonna do an orchard update. Hey, peppers! We have got peppers, folks. Look at that thing. The size of my hand. That's just some thyme, I think, or something I threw in there. And I just throw seeds in the ground sometimes and this happens. Check out the tomato. We got some red ones. Look at the size of this guy. That's a big guy. But we have got cucumbers and cucumbers and cucumbers and cucumbers and more cucumbers. More cucumbers. They're everywhere. We have been making some pickles. A lot of pickles. That thing's been producing. I swear I walk out here every day, there's 5 more pickles. But I do have a varmint in my... He is nibbled on my cilantro and he is nibbled on one of my carrots, so I believe it is a little bunny rabbit. Yeah, there's at least 100, 200 cayennes. Got me some jalapeno. This is a crazy mustardy kale thing that I had. I think it's mustard. That's sand. As you can see, I busted out the laser picker and I made a couple signs. Mount garlic. It's a big mountain of garlic. You can see the garlic all shooting up. Oh, son of don't step on the sign. Ow. I love beet greens. Oh, look. I have a couple snacks while you're out. Bet you didn't know, people don't know where cinnamon comes from. It comes from the bark of this tree. You shave off the bark. Oh, it does. It smells just like cinnamon. Look at my avocado. That's my first big avocado. This little guy. This little guy. This is one of my things I'm very excited for. Look at my grapes. I'm going to make a fine wine. It will be kick-ass garage wine. Oh, kick-ass garage wine. Alright, which one's gonna get eaten today? This guy. Let's do it. Oh yeah. That's good.
That looks very nice.
Very nice. Looks like a brand new Mini. Looks so good. Look at that stuff. All right, so that about wraps this up. We'll check back in after a couple washes. Bud's gonna wash it 200 times before next week. Maybe 300, we'll try to outdo it.
Yeah, we'll see.
Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you can keep up with all the new mini stuff.